Hello friends, welcome to my videos. Myself Nubina Pal, student of MSc Nursing in AIIMS Monglagiri. So previously I make a video on how you start your preparation from third year BSc Nursing, but it was in Bengali. So I told you that I will make a video in English for your better understanding who don't understand the Bengali languages. So I think it is important to share with you how you start your preparation from your BSc Nursing and you continue your preparation with your curriculum and your syllabus. So previously I want to share with you that there are many students who gave exam and cracked the exam, and then they told that they cracked the exam by taking preparation in 1 month, 3 months. So first of all, I don't think so that 1 month is enough or 3 months is enough to crack a central government exam, because nowadays there are too much competition and very less seat. So and if you taking 3 months preparation, for that it requires that at least you take preparation for the whole day. You are not doing job. So if you're doing job and beside that you are taking preparation and you think that you crack the exam in 1 month or 3 months, then it is very tough. So nowadays many one of my juniors and many others ask me that if they start taking preparation from month of February or March, if they able to crack the MSc exam or not. So actually first thing I want to tell that it's depend on your preparation, that how much knowledge you acquire, how much you have experience during your BSc nursing curriculum. And if you have good knowledge and just you want to make the revision of this whole content, and then it is possible that you may able to got a good rank. But for those who are now doing BSc nursing and now in a second year or third year, for them I want to tell you that when I was in third year, I start to taking preparation in some little level for the MSc nursing, because from second year and third year I was thinking that I will be first complete MSc nursing, then I will go for further experience like NORCET or other things, because I want to go in teaching. I have very less interest in clinical side as a working as a staff nurse. So for that it is tough to doing your continuing your preparation side by side, your daily duties, daily assignment, daily classes. But I think you already cover your first year and second year, so now you already understand that how much time you are able to get for taking preparation, how much time you have to give for your university exam. Because in first year we don't understand, and the whole years went, it spent very nicely, we roaming, eating, and there are very less pressure also. But from second year we able to understand that no, there are too many assignment, too many seminars present we have to. So for that I think now it's time that you are in now third year, so think again that in which field you want to go, it's clinical side or teaching side. So if you want to go clinical side, then okay, you start preparation, taking preparation for NORCET, AIIMS, or like GPMAR and the other exam like ESIC, RRB. And if you want to do MSc nursing from any institution like AIIMS or state government, then you start to taking preparation for AIIMS. So now how you start to take preparation in your third year. Okay, so first thing that you can do, which subject you are taking preparation, or which chapter you are taking preparation for your board exam or the term exam. After completing this chapter from your textbook, you start to take preparation for this chapter from NCLX, Target High, Peer Adab. Now you are a student, I know, so for buying too much book is not possible for you. So you can do one thing, that you can buy Target High. It is not too much costly, 1500 like price. So and the other books like NCLS and Peer Adab, the two books are available in online. So nowadays most of the students have tab, laptop, so you can do the MCQ from your laptop and tabs only, no problem. So one thing, that if you complete Naukha system, then you start to solve MCQ from Target High, Peer Adab, and after that NCLS. Because NCLS when you do the first time, at that time you think that the question is tough, because especially NCLX gives the broad question, which especially the nurse's role, responsibility, side effects of drugs, these types of question. For that they also give the content. So if you read their content, then sometimes it's very easy to solve their question. So you have to give time for NCLX. So if you one time complete NCLX 1 or 2 times, then it is easy for you, then it is not again tough. So the next thing is, try to complete your third year subjects in your third year. Like there is 3 subject nursing, I know. So these 3 subjects like medicine, pediatric, and psychiatric, try to cover the all MCQ from Target High. So if you complete at least one time from Target High during your third year, then you can easily understand that what are the pattern of the MCQ and how much you are able to do it. And if require any extra preparation, then you can take it after your fourth year of BSc nursing, no issue. But first you have to gather a knowledge. After fourth year, if you decide to take preparation for NOCET or MSc nursing, then it is tough that first you decide, then you buy books, then you go through the whole syllabus, then you know the MCQ pattern. So better to start from third year, because it is very good time, because first year second year, okay, now you take time to adjust with your professional life. So but third year is okay, you are quite aware about your daily schedule, you know that how much time you got. So nowadays I want to tell you that after coming here in AIIMS, I came to know one thing, that when I see the BSc nursing students, I notice one thing: they are too much knowledgeable. Seriously, they know many things that we are the student who are doing from private or the other state governments, we don't have that much of knowledge. Here teachers are giving and sharing their experience with them. Their teachers and faculties are very good, they are very knowledgeable. Tutors and the others professors are very knowledgeable and experienced, so they are taking teaching from them, so you can understand their levels. They are very good in their theory level actually. And one of the things that I noticed during my BSc nursing, that the student who are doing their BSc from AIIMS, after completing, they are easily able to crack any exam in that year. They don't have to take too much preparation like us. So after coming here, I came to know that they are solving MCQ from their first year, because in our exam what happened, only in university exam only they gave the 15 marks broad question or 5 marks broad question, but here 15 marks broad question is also come, and beside that there are 10 or 15 marks MCQs also come, so they are very well aware about the MCQ. So that one advantage they have, that they are very good in MCQ. In fourth year they are doing practice each and every time for their board exam also. So nowadays it is very tough to compete with many students, because most of the students are very experienced or very knowledgeable from their BSc nursing, and they are starting taking preparation. Some student I also observe that they are taking preparation from first year, second year also. So okay, if it is not possible to take preparation first year, second year, no issue, you can start from third year and fourth year. These 2 years you can give your preparation as much as you can. Then after fourth year you do the preparation for all subject, like from starting from first year to the fourth year subject. But if you start taking preparation after fourth year, then it is tough to complete the whole syllabus, that you start from your anatomy to the last gynec OBG. So small tips for you, that when you do the MCQ like you are doing now from target high, just mark those questions which you are not able to answer right now, and like that you cover the whole chapter and the whole subject. And after that, when you do the revision, maybe it is not possible in third year, so after fourth year when you do the revision this topic, you just go through the question which you marked during your third year preparation. So because it is easy for you to remember those questions, because at that time you are feeling tough, maybe that's why you are not able to do the answer. So actually there is many MCQ, like in target I think only MedSurg has more than 3000 MCQ. So if you going at that time to revise all of the MCQ, it is not possible. So just only go through those MCQ that which are you did the circle during your third year. So only this question you went through the revision repeated time, then it will be easily remember in your brain. So I think you understand that how much it important to decide that after fourth year what you do, in which field you want to go. So according to this, you start to take preparation, start to decide that there are many line after completion of your BSc nursing, not only clinical or only just doing a job in a private or government sector as a nurse, not only that. So best of luck for your upcoming futures, and think from now, start taking preparation from now, because upcoming day competition will be again more, because the candidate passed out each and every years in 1,000 of numbers. So best of luck, and if you have any doubt or query you can ask me. So bye friends.